Good evening, everyone. I'm Chef John. Welcome to Feast of the Seven Fish. I grew up Feast of the Seven Fish every Christmas Eve. We also have Emily here to my right. She's actually got the fun stuff, and there's a lot of wine. Take your time.
We have a natural, organic, biodynamic, sustainable wine, which is really, really cool. So you'll notice a little bit orange and a little bit hazy. That's because they don't fine and filter it. But it's really classic, perfect for seafood, zesty, salty, and awesome. Enjoy.
Your first course, think fish charcuterie is the best way to describe it. This swordfish comes directly from Italy. Cool thing is they smoke the swordfish there, they ship it here, cryovac. 2 days it's in my hands. It's awesome.
I'm gonna go back to classics with you. This is a very traditional Pinot Grigio.
Your next course, this is a calamari salad. Confit baby tomatoes, pickled garlic, a pistachio vinaigrette.
Which one is this?
So this is Sauvignon Blanc. This is gonna be your wine for the third course.
So Versaghi Shrimp is a 4th generation shrimp boat captain owner. From New York, I've eaten a lot of seafood, still the best shrimp I've ever had. So it's a Key West pink shrimp directly off the boat, literally 10 minutes from here.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
Okay, we're about halfway. We still got more food.
Halfway.
Okay, octopus. So we cook it really, really slow, so that's why it's super, super tender. Garbanzo bean puree, you have fried garbanzo beans, and the greens on there are not just greens that usually people are just like, they put it on there and make it look pretty. I like to make it make sense. It's actually a garbanzo bean sprout. Enjoy.
Thank you. Thank you.
This wine is produced, very small production, organically, hand harvested, unfined and filtered, natural. So this is not your typical wine, which is why I wanted to give it to you. It's very interesting. It's something that should be united with food to kind of play off the different textures and the different flavor profiles.
So lobster and gnocchi, one of my favorite things to make. This is chestnut gnocchi, some chanterelle mushroom, and cipollini onion. Enjoy. Thank you.
So this is going to be our Canavese Rosso DOC. So this is a Barbera blend coming out of Piemonte.
So if you're not full, this might put you over. So black cod is the, hands down, my most favorite fish on the planet. So here we have a little truffle polenta, a little super intense mushroom broth, a little bit of bitter greens, caviar and truffles, you can't beat it. Enjoy. So, I'm Italian. I have a problem with portion control. I mean, you can control how much you're eating, but if it's so good and you can't help it, that's fine by me. Your last course this evening. Are we all doing okay? All right, here's your pasta and tomato sauce. Does anybody know what puttanesca sauce is? The idea behind it is if you had stuff left over from the day before from a dinner, what would you make the next day with all this miscellaneous leftover stuff? You'd make puttanesca sauce, usually like capers, olives, a little fresh spinach cavatelli, prosciutto wrapped monkfish, which is also known as poor man's lobster, so it almost has the texture of lobster. Enjoy.
For this course we have Chianti. So this Chianti is an awesome Toscana blend.
The dessert you have is strafoli, or strufoli as my family would call it. My mom makes it, my grandmother made it forever. And usually you would toss it with honey, but I tossed it in limoncello syrup. It has to be these little pearl sprinkles, a little dollop of whipped cream with a nice little chilled limoncello. Thanks for coming. Thank you.